Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Therefore this desire that I shall merge into the existence of God, I shall become true. Just like the example is given that I am drop of water, now I shall merge into the big ocean, therefore I shall become ocean. This example is generally given by the Mayavadi philosopher. The drop of water is when mixed up with the ocean water, they become one. That is only imagination. Every water, molecular, there are so many individual molecular parts. Apart from that, suppose you mix up with the water and merge into the Brahma existence, the samudra, the sea or the ocean, then again you will be evaporated. Because the water is evaporated from the ocean and it becomes cloud and again falls down on the ground and it goes down again to the ocean. This is going on. This is called avagaman, coming and again mixing. So what is the benefit? But the Vaishnava philosophy says that we do not want to mix up with the water. We want to become a fish within the ocean. That is very nice. If you want to become fish, a big fish or a small fish, it doesn't matter. If you go deep into the water, then there is no more evaporation. You remain. Similarly, the spiritual world, the Brahma effulgence, is Nidbhed Brahmanusandhi. Those who are trying to merge into the Brahma existence, for them it is not very safe. That is explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Vimukta manina. Vimukta manina. They are thinking that now I am merged into the Brahma effulgence, now I am safe. No, it is not safe. Because it is said, Arujya krichena parang padang tata patanti. Even after great austerities and penance, one may rise parang padang, merging into the Brahma effulgence. Still from there he falls down. He falls down. Because Brahma, the spirit soul, is Anandamaya. As Krishna, or the Absolute, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is Anandamaya Abhyasa Satchidananda Vigraha. So, simply by merging into the Brahma existence, one cannot become Anandamaya. Just like you are going very high in the sky, so to remain in the sky, it is not very Anandamaya. If you can get shelter in some planet, then it is Anandamaya. Otherwise, you have to come back again on this planet. So, nirvishesh, without varieties, there cannot be any Ananda. Variety is the mother of enjoyment. So, we are disgusted with these material varieties. Therefore, some is trying to make these varieties zero, and some is trying to make this variety impersonal. But that will not give us the exact transcendental pleasure. If you can go up into the Brahma effulgence and take shelter of Krishna or Narayan, there are innumerable planets in the Brahma effulgence. They are called Vaikuntha Loka, and the topmost Vaikuntha Loka is called Goloka Vrindavan. So, if you are fortunate enough to take shelter with one of these planets, then you are eternally happy in blissful condition of knowledge. Otherwise, simply to merge into the Brahma effulgence is not very safe. Because we want Ananda. So, in impersonal zero standard, there cannot be any Ananda. But because we have no information, the Mayavadi philosopher of the Vaikuntha planets, they come back to this again, to this material planet. Arujya krichena parang padang tata patanti adha. Adha means in this material world, that I have explained many times, there are so many big sannyasis, they give up this material world as mithya, jagan mithya, and take sannyas, and then again, after a few days, they come to social service, politics, because they could not realize what is Brahma. For Ananda, they have to take part in these material activities. Because Ananda, we want Anandamaya Abhyasa. So if there is no spiritual Ananda, they must come to the inferior quality. This material world is inferior quality, apara. If we cannot get spiritual Ananda or superior pleasure, then we have to take this material pleasure. Because you want pleasure. Everyone searching after pleasure.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.